Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to generate invoice in Zoho Books in 2024. So, electronics invoicing helps streamline your business processes and comply with regulations. So, I'll take you to a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an invoice in Zoho Books. So, make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's just get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically go to the URL section and you'll have to type zoho.com/books and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll be taken to the home screen or main screen of Zoho Books right away. And of course, if it's your first time, you'll be taken to a place like this. Of course, let me just add the /books. So you'll be taken to a page like this, basically, and you'll have to go and click on sign in to sign in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, click on sign up instead to create an account. And as you can see, you can use one of those accounts, multiple accounts like Apple, Google, etc. So if you have one of them, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account from the beginning. So once you're logged in into your accounts, basically you'll find yourself on a dashboard, which is going to be something like that in here. And of course, basically how to generate an invoice or an e-invoice, which is electronic invoice, you'll need basically to connect Zoho Books with the e-invoice portal, invoicing registration portal, which is IRP. After which, of course, you can push invoices to the portal easily. And of course, this steps involves like connection to the IRP will vary based on whether you generate e-way bills through Zoho Books or not. So, as example, to connect to the IRP, we'll just follow an article because it's going to be easier. So, connect, as example, with IRP in Zoho Books because it will help us, of course, be or follow like step-by-step guide, which is going to be make it easier for us. So basically enabling e-invoicing. So to enable it, we'll need to go to settings, preferences, then select invoices example in there. Yeah, sure. So settings example, preferences, and from preferences as example, it should be e-invoicing. So preferences, there's no e-invoicing here. But of course, I'll just go and look for other organizations because, as example, this one is in India. Maybe it doesn't have it because, of course, the settings will be different from like a place to another. So in here, as example, in the United States, there is e-invoice again. But of course, we can just go here and check general as example and check if there is the e-invoice. We can even use this Control F. So, or I'll just type invoice right away. So, example here we have self-billed invoice, recurring invoice, retainer invoice, and this one which is attached PDF with the link while emailing invoice. So none of them what I want. As example, let's just go here to this one as I have in United Emirates. As example, Arab Emirates. Here's an example again. We can just go and look for it again. So invoice as an example, and it's going to be basically the same option. So I don't think there's e-invoice, right? Oh, yeah, there is no e-invoice in here. So, okay, we can just skip this at the moment because as you can see, once you enable it, of course, you'll be able to do it, but it's fine because what we'll need to do is first connect the IRP as I told you before. And as you can see, to start e-invoicing, you'll need to connect Zoho Books with the e-invoice portal or e-invoicing portal, invoice registration portal, basically. So to connect this, of course, if you generate e-ways bills through Zoho Books, to connect your AIP, if you do not generate e-bills through Zoho Books, you'll need to do so. So you'll need to log into the invoice registration portal and go to that. And then, of course, click on API registration menu, select the create API user option and choose through GSP. Of course, GSP, I guess there is just in India. So I don't think this will open for me because, yeah, as you can see, so it's governments.in. So it's basically for India. So I even have to change this organization to this one because this one that I'm choosing on India. So yeah, I'll not have access to it basically. But for you, especially if you're from India, of course, you'll have access to it. Just go and click on it, and you'll need to go and click on API registration. That's why exactly I opened this article, because I wouldn't have access to the Indian like invoice registration portal. But for you, of course, you will have access to it. So just go and click on it, then click on API registration from the menu, select to create API user option under user credentials, choose the through GPS option, select Zoho Corporation in the GSP drop down, enter username and password, re-enter the password, and click on submit. And as you can see, they provide even visuals for you to show you exactly what you should do and even further assistance example. So once completed, Zoho Corporation will be listed under the View tab in the IRP, and you can then proceed to connect to the IRP with Zoho Books to do. And this, as an example, you need to log in into it, go to Settings, Preferences, select the invoicing from the left menu, and then click on Connect Now. And then enter the password or username and password that's used while registration Zoho Corporation as your GST Suvidas example provider GSP in the IRP. Then click on Save and Validate. Once you've done this, as an example, you'll need to configure even user permissions. You can go to settings and roles, select roles, create a new role, scroll down to the invoicing section and mark as push and cancel transaction option. Then click on save and you should be good to go. As you can see, so this article basically will help you do everything. That's why I opened it up, because I don't have access to the IRP and I'll not be able to show you exactly the steps how to do it. So you can simply just go and type setup as example e-invoicing in Zoho Books in Google and just go and click on the first like article. Or you can type this exact URL, which is zoho.com/books/help/ e-invoicing /setup.html, and it will take you to this exact article. So yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.